Good morning and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing on this fantastic snowy Sunday morning? As you can see, I'm about to make some breakfast. I made breakfast last night also for dinner because I was lazy, didn't want to cook, but it is what it is and it was so good. Only thing different last night, I had Eggo waffles instead of biscuits, which I'm going to have this morning. And I didn't have the sausages last night. I just had bacon, eggs, and the Eggo waffles. So I'm going to cut up the rest of these bacon. Hold on 1 minute. Noise in the background. Sorry about that. It's the snow plows out there trying to get the snow up. Not trying to tell people how to do their job, but they should wait till it stops snowing, then get it up, because it's going to keep coming down. So I'm going to cook the rest of the bacon, make some sausages, biscuits, and of course, eggs. I will show you pictures, and I will let you know the end result when it's time. So, please like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Share this also, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay, breakfast is done. I'm about to eat. So please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next vlog.